Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby.
Look at his face. Dumb little face.
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby.
Look at his face. Dumb little face. Why is he looking at me like
It's
that?
so good. Go back.
Go back.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Again?
Yep. Just keep going till it clicks.
There we go.
Ooh.
Yo,
Oh, hey.
wait, what?
Hello.
It's like
Hello, welcome back. It's finally summer and my windows are open. We're also in the Lexus. The Lexus is still kind of broken. You'll hear it squeak sometimes, and the wind noise is probably gonna be bad because my windows are open. So we're starting late today. We're starting at 7:15 p.m. Out with the Fully Driven team. We're just gonna hang out. So let's just get there. You know, let's go. I'm in shorts. That's weird. Sarah just parked over here. Dude, that wing looks sick. But they're up there, so let's go say hi. This actually this is a good spot. This is cool. I have no idea where I'm at. I see. I found everyone. Oh, what's up, it's here.
Dude, guess what?
What's
Broke
up?
my filter.
Really? Just now?
I'm naked.
Oh no.
I'm naked right now.
Oh, that's a scary feeling.
Go ahead. Go talk to you.
Guys, you can't be on the property. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Wait, I need my shots right now. Dude, that was nuts. You know what? We'll come back here. I like this place. After
this place is nice.
This is pretty cool. We'll come back like later.
when you before you backed in.
Yeah.
When we saw you kind of curve in, I was like, I bet you he's thinking of drifting this.
I was confused. I was like, wait, I saw all the cars and I don't see anyone. And so I looked in my rear view and I saw you guys there and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
And that's when I threw it in reverse. Yeah.
I was like, he's gonna clutch kick it. He's gonna go. He's gonna send it.
Take a seat, Paul.
I want these so bad.
It's so good. It's such a good car. Our security guy came back. My car makes squeaking noises. Do not be alarmed.
Okay,
It happens a lot.
that's okay. I rubbed my fender liner.
Listen. it's a thing.
It's like that song.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, it's such an old song. Yes!
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Yo, you're posed already.
Yeah, you're actually set up pretty good.
You're already set up.
I was gonna say,
Or we could just do the Y but backwards.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Backwards Y.
Yeah.
Makes sense. I'll put you guys here for a second. I looked at it today and I was like, I'm not gonna need this today.
because if you put all four of you like a locking position, that aerial shot would have been shit.
It would have been sick. We'll have to go again.
that. What's up, little bud? You got a gang problem, pal?
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby. He's just
Look at his face. Dumb little face.
How long have you been here?
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? You got a
That
gang
is
problem,
so
pal?
good.
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby. He's just
Look at his face. Dumb little face. Why is he looking at me like
It's
that?
so good. It is truly beautiful outside, and it's so cool to be back around everyone. It's been on camera. It's been 2 weeks since we've all gotten to hang out, and last week I think was WECFest. No, 2 weeks ago was WECFest. So that's kind of how behind I am in making videos. Hopefully you guys don't experience too much of a lag in terms of how much content is getting put out. But it's always just a good time hanging out with these guys, and I know I say that like almost every video. Being around these guys this is just what it's about, you know, and just to be mobbing around and to be crazy. It's crazy because the Lexus is here, and you know the Lexus has not been here for a while. It's back, and I'm very happy that it's here. So that's that. Serge's wing is on, and I think it looks great. I think those wings always look so sick on there, so I think it looks really good. We're going to Ti Amo just to get some tea, and we'll update you there. Hello. Hello.
If my car was you, a dog is you, it would look like you.
That's your guys' car over there? Yeah. That's pretty sweet, man. That's nice. Thank you. He's a dachshund. A mini.
Pure?
Yeah, he's a purebred. Mini.
I've never seen the hair that long. So it's pitch black and you can't see me, but we're about to do some long exposure night photography with like lightsabers and all that fun stuff. It's actually Paul's idea, so big shout out to Paul. He's getting set up right now. I'm just really excited to see how this all turns out.
So this is the part that I don't know. What did you guys do?
Nothing. Just turned it on and ran in.
I got it. I did it.
Jillian
Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
Well,
that
then
was
you
me.
know how to do this.
What color are we looking at?
Shoot.
We got this guy here.
Oh, nice. That's gonna be really cool. And
So-
then you can spin it. We could spin it. That would be smart.
So this is the one that just, you know.
Yeah. Run up to like 15. Yeah.
15 seconds.
Run it to 15. You could actually set that. You could set the timer itself instead of bulk. Drop it to 15,
Ready?
and then literally just keep on going back and forth until it like stops.
Ready? And go.
Go back.
Go back.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Again?
Yep. Just keep going till it clicks.
50 seconds. Next time I see you, I'm gonna owe you a...
Oh wow.
Oh, shoot.
Nice.
Do that, but run behind the cars with the saber.
So like, yeah, run back here. Run like around. You know what I mean?
Here we go.
Yo.
hey.
Wait, what?
Hello.
It's like a
Yeah.
bro. You guys just went ultra.
Super
instinct.
Saiyan.
Ultra instinct.
Go.
Today was a really interesting day. It was actually really fun to be around everyone. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it was just like 2 weeks that we haven't seen each other, and these are the type of people that I'm not with them for 2 weeks and it feels like I just saw them yesterday. And just being around them and everything like that, it's just really fate that really brought us together, and I believe in that for sure. And I think it's just amazing that we're all together all the time. And you know, it's really cool to see this community grow, and not even just with Fully Driven, but the other communities that we're associated with, you know, Ronin Syndicate, Legendary Car Club. Like we're all family, you know, and it's really cool to have the Chicagoland area really start to bond like that. Brings a sense of community, and it's really cool to be part of that. I'm here just to take a second just to kind of say thank you to you guys, and you know, having YouTube be there for me, be an outlet for creativity, and it's really important to me. So you know, it's cool to be back here with this, you know what I mean, because this car obviously hasn't been around, it hasn't seen the channel for a little while, and it's up and running, you know, and it might not be running exactly the way it should be, but it's there. I'm really driven right now for YouTube, and I feel like that this can really go somewhere, and I'd like it to go somewhere. That's a dream and a goal of mine, to actually go somewhere with this. So please just like, share, subscribe, share this with your friends who like car content, share this with those people that enjoy this. I hope that this is entertaining enough. Like, I know it's just kind of us just hanging around, just being friends, but you know, you guys are part of that too, and you know, this whole journey that we have on together, you guys are also part of this. So thank you guys so much for having me grow with you, and having you guys here to grow with me. So I appreciate you guys so much. Until next week, I will see you on the other side. Squeaking noise complete.
You cannot steal the goose egg.
Oh, f that, dude. Oh, no way.
I have to say it. He wants to steal a goose.
I won't
Can't
steal the
goose.
egg because I don't know how to hatch an egg.
Well, I'm pretty sure you'll figure it out.
I'm gonna sit on it while I'm working.